Welcome back to Pree Dis, of course, you're vibing with your host Casmar. We're here at the Bob Marley Museum, and of course, we're here with the biggest band of all time in reggae music, Bob Marley and the Wailers. I bet you didn't know. Now you know. Right now, it's all about the latest in Jamaica's entertainment, because we're going to bring to you guys Pree Di Scoop. Now, everybody love mix-up, everybody love gossip, and we have it right here on Pree Dis. Pree Dis.
Pree Di Scoop this week, 80s dance music singer Stevie B was recently hauled off a stage while performing at a show in Boston for allegedly owing more than $400,000 in child support payments. Stevie B is known for songs such as Spring Love, Dreaming of Love, and the #1 hit, the Postman song Because I Loved You. DJ Inferno, who was fired from Fame FM earlier this year, is now back on the airwaves at Fame FM. The question of the week is D Major now a part of the Penthouse crew? And with Vybz Kartel now facing an alleged murder charge, did you know that he's not the first entertainer to face such charges? Dancehall artist Ninja Man is facing a similar charge. That's it for Pree Di Scoop for this week.
Now, if you can look behind me, you'll realize that I'm standing in front of the 1976 Land Rover that was driven by Bob Marley. Now, hold on, let me touch the thing now, man. Respect due, Bob. All right, now, so from one reggae superstar to a budding star himself, here is Protoje with a brand new music video. Of course, we're here at our music video spot. And of course, Protoje is going to be kicking it off with No Lipstick, which was directed by Leon Olivier, which is his little sister. Check it out.
Empress, look what I brought for you. Marijuana glisten in the morning dew. She put her lips to my blunt and kiss it. No excuse when she rolls, she spliff. For she don't even care if it's smudge, no lipstick. Nah, refuse, that's a how she rip. She make sure I have some greens with it when I sip it. Then she roll off and roll up my thing. And make me know that anyhow I put it in my lyrics. Then only some girls gon' comprehend. No, she not agree with them policies. No, she burn her trees. No apologies, never needed. On her property, no, it never sees. So she get her peace and her release when she weeded. Like it when it cure, but she have a prefer when it green. And more THC when she steaming. When me go country and me come back in, she not ask a thing, cause she know what me bring. She put her lips to my blunt and kiss it. No excuse when she smoke, she spliff. For she don't even care if it's smudge, no lipstick. Then now refuse, that's a how she rip. She make sure I have some greens with it when I have some greens with it when I have some greens with it when I sip it. Make sure I have some greens with it when I have some greens with it when I have some greens with it when I. Oh, she love my herb etiquette. How I roll it up so delicate. Oh.
Alright, so we're kicking back right here at the Bob Marley Museum, and everybody who know Bob Marley knows that the man rate football to another level. So right now it's all about Pree Dis Sports, and we're going to check in with netball match. Of course, we're talking about the Business House Netball Intermediate B Association, and this match took place between JMMB and Housing Agency. Now we have the highlights right here on Pree Dis. Watch the thing.
I won't ever slack up, punk, you better back up. Try and play the role and you're the whole crew will act up. Get up, stand up, come on, throw your hands up if you got the feeling. Jump up, touch the ceiling, monks, let's a funk flow. Someone's talking junk, yo, I'll bust them in the eye. And then I'll take the punks out, feeling funky. Amps in the junk and I got more rhymes than this cops that are junkie. Donut shop, sure enough, I got pop from the kids on the hill, plus my mom and my pops. I came to get down, I came to get down. So get out your seat and jump around, jump around.
Sweet, sweet reggae music, Rebel Unit, Black My Story. We're on to our second commercial break, and when we get back, we have a lot more Pree Dis right here. So you don't want to miss nothing. We're so far away.